Well, Salon Uptown Downtown is getting ready to do a Adopt a Highway cleanup, and I have invited a lot of friends and acquaintances, so I'm hoping for a great turnout tomorrow. I'm looking forward to it. We should all have a great time, and cleaning up the road, cleaning up the community is a great way to achieve peace. And it's very rewarding when other people come and help. They find the same peace and joy that I get out of doing the project. So hopefully it'll bring them some peace and joy as well. I'm looking forward to the camaraderie and just the total outcome. It's going to be a great day. The weather's going to be beautiful. Life is good. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Come on out. Help us this morning. Have a peaceful day. Bye-bye.